Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is not gonna be a video about the Ford Explorer this time. In fact, this video is gonna be about the Ford Focus. It's been over a year since we did a video on the Ford Focus, but I figured since the weather is slowly trying to break in Michigan, it's time that we start doing videos on the Ford. So I ordered these bulbs, these Phillips bulbs from eBay, and I currently have uh Nighthawk Platinums as bulbs in the Ford Focus, and I decided to go with these Philips White Diamond Ultralight 5000K because it's supposed to give it a bluish look at night. And one of my Nighthawk Platinum bulbs had blue when my Optima battery blew up. Just to let you guys know, this is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that. This is my own video that I'm making of these bulbs. This is my first time ever trying these out. Again, I had Nighthawk Platinums as bulbs that I use in the Ford Focus right now to give it a bluish look. So I wanted to get something as close as possible because, I mean, the Ford Focus is a 2003. Very, very old car. And I had some trouble finding Nighthawk Platinums and H4s. Even on Amazon, I had some trouble finding those. I probably could have found some if I would have worked super harder. But I just said, you know what? I just need some bulbs that'll be delivered quick enough. And I went with these. I just wanted to try these out, see how they work. Now, obviously, I'm not going to be able to tell if they super blue or not because it's still daylight. But that being said, let's get these bulbs installed. I usually try to keep this car covered up in the shed. We'll go ahead and uncover it. So we tend to get a lot of dust out here, which is why I keep this car cover over it, but still looks good. Let's go ahead and get these bulbs. All right, here's the old bulb. Here's the new bulb. So let's kind of compare them. Maybe this one will give out more blue light. So I got one of the bulbs in, and let's just do a quick comparison real quick. So I got the Philips 5000K on the driver's side. Let's look at it real quick. That's the Nighthawk Platinum on this side. That's the Philips. Does give it a bluish look. Let's get the other one in on this side. Here's another comparison. Here's the Philips on the left, and that's the Nighthawk Platinum. So Nighthawk Platinum is obviously a little bit fatter than the Philips, but Philips seem to give out a little bit more of a bluish, brighter light. So I'm trying to get this bulb in here, and I don't know if my hand is too big, but I am really struggling. We're gonna keep trying. Okay, I finally got the bulb in there, and I'm just trying to make sure that this plastic cover is on there. This light is a little faded from over the years, so it may not look as blue, but we'll find out. It's the other old bulb. Let's go ahead and get that on there. Let's look how they look. Definitely does give it a bluish look. Even with this faded house, and still give it a bluish look. Yep. It's kind of hard to tell during the day though. Yep, they definitely are bluer. Much bluer. tell on the ground too that they blue. I don't know if you can catch this on camera, but yeah, the lights is actually bluer than my Nighthawk Platinums. Looks blue. I actually kind of like it. Here's a comparison. There's the Patriot and there's the Focus. So Philips is much bluer. These are Holligans, so big difference. All right, so let me get some light in here. So Philips 5000K bulbs actually works pretty good. They slightly brighter than my Nighthawk Platinums that I had before. My Nighthawk Platinums was also blue as well, but these seem to be a little bit more bluer than my Nighthawk Platinums. So the Philips 5000K white diamond, I do recommend it. It's a good bulb, and it should last a little bit longer than my Nighthawk Platinums. I think I only paid maybe $25 for it. So we are currently in the Patriot. Gonna go for a night drive, get something to eat. So I plan on changing those headlamps out in the Ford Focus in a future video. Stay tuned for that because they are kind of fogging up. So not only are we working on this Explorer, but we'll be working on the Ford Focus as well and working on this Patriot. And as you can see, the housing that I'm in, we're in the process of trying to find a house to make better content videos because, yeah, trying to live here and live in a rental house, going back and forth to house can be annoying. So that being said, if you want to see more videos, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I got more to come. Thanks for watching.